Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is lentils. We'll be making lentil tacos and braised curry lentils with crispy shrimp salad. Joining me is Dr. Jennifer Janko from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Patrick Feury.
Hi, thank you.
Hi, how are
Thanks for having
you?
me. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to start the lentils. So the lentils are pretty simple. A little bit of garlic. So then I'm going to put the onions.
Okay.
Is that celery that you added?
The celery, yes.
Okay.
So then onion, celery, we got the garlic in there. All right. And then we got curry, and then we actually got chili powder.
Wow.
And then we're going to take the beluga lentils, which we have here.
And lentils is one of those ingredients that I think people don't always think about.
Right.
Kind of gets overlooked.
This is my first time cooking with them, actually.
Well, welcome to lentils.
Yes.
So think of it almost like a bean. You're going to get some iron from that,
Okay.
and you're going to get some protein from that, and a nice source of fiber, but it's through really a plant-based. So this is not an animal-based source. So if you are a vegetarian or just trying to eat a little bit healthier, this is really a great choice.
Okay.
So I think in the adult world, you know, people always want to have good fiber in their diet.
Sure.
It's heart healthy, that type of stuff. But from a pediatric standpoint, we want our kids to have really good sources of fiber. It helps digestion. A child who has good digestive health is a happy child.
Sure.
So next thing we're going to do is we got the shrimp. So we're going to want to kind of season them with the same kind of seasoning. This is just a cornstarch. Cornstarch works really, really well. It's gluten-free. And we're going to start warming up these as well. They loosen up. This one I have, it's a whole wheat corn, so it's a combination of whole wheat and corn taco. So here we go, we got this.
Okay, and you mentioned it being good for adults for certain reasons. Why would it be good for children?
Kids are growing a lot, and so they need to keep up with a good source of iron. As a pediatrician, a lot of our kids are anemic because their bodies are outgrowing their iron stores faster than we as parents can put it into them. So rather than have to take a supplement or a vitamin, if you have a diet rich in iron, you can prevent anemia, which is great.
All right, Chef, what do we got going on here?
So right now we're working on our shrimp. Doc, do you want to help me make
I'll give you that.
tacos?
I would
Thank
love
you.
to help you make tacos.
Okay, the lentils, that's the meat of the taco, or the protein of the taco. Okay, we got the tacos themselves.
The healthy, iron-rich, full of
That's
fiber.
right. And kids love to make their own
Exactly.
tacos.
Oh my
That's
goodness,
a
yes.
big hit in my
So
house.
with queso fresco, I just kind of like crumble it out.
And what order would you like me to?
So I would use the lentils first. And then we have scallions, we have sour cream, we have...
I'm going to take some of everything.
Yes. And I do a little bit of, this is my own personal trick. Since we're using shrimp in this dish, I put a little bit of fish sauce, the 3 crab fish sauce in here. It gives it just a little bit of a zing on the background.
Okay.
Into the lentils themselves. So these are working really well.
That looks beautiful.
Didn't I do nicely?
done.
I just decided to mix up the order a little bit.
That looks great.
Now, would you like to try one, my
Oh,
friend?
I would love to.
Yeah.
I will
Okay,
supervise.
We can make some more. 2 more.
And this is where, like you said, every child can make their own. So you want more of this, you want less of that. I want
right.
tomatoes, I don't want tomatoes, whatever.
Exactly. Okay, so we're going to finish out the adults. All right, so we're going to just take these lentils. And this is great interactive cooking with your kids as
Yeah.
well.
So
Letting them
important to involve them.
Arugula there.
That looks great.
Some scallions.
I can't wait to try it. Shall
All
we?
right, yes.
Yeah.
So this is a finger food, right?
I know.
On
Oh, boy.
purpose.
Everybody jumps in the kids' food.
It's gonna be
A messy food on purpose. Really, really good.
It's so good.
Yeah, as good as a taco.
Better.
My kids
you.
would love that.
You can see how nice and crispy the shrimp is.
Oh, wow.
I'll do it.
That's all right, then I don't feel so bad.
So I had to do it.
You just set me up.
Wow, that's
I'll
amazing.
make a mess, it's no big deal.
Real simple.
So good.